Hello, today I am going to be replacing the inducer motor assembly on my old Bryant furnace. It's been giving us some trouble the last few years, and I just wanted to post this video to YouTube to show other people how easy it is to replace it, because I've been dealing with this noise for, like I said, a couple of years. Just been living with it. Didn't realize it was going to be so easy to fix. You can see if I just move this a little bit, you can kind of dampen the noise. I think there's a bad bearing there in the motor, so I just got the entire assembly. We're just going to replace it all. So first thing I'm going to do is cut the power. Okay, now I'm going to cut the gas. Off. I'm going to confirm that all the power's off by just cranking up the heater here. Nothing's kicking on. We're good. Next, it looks like there are 3 screws mounting that. I may have to remove a couple more to the ground there, and I think maybe 1 or 2 more. We'll take a look. So I have the assembly off now. Turns out there were a couple more screws. But I got them all out. There's the old unit. Here's the new one. We're gonna pop that guy in. Should be done in a few. Okay, old part's out. New part is in. So it's gonna be time to turn back on the gas. Time to turn back on the power. And now let's kick on the furnace. See what has changed. Ooh, so quiet, so nice. Let's make sure the furnace is working. Flame should kick on here in a second. Yes, success. All right, so cover's back on. We're back in service. Fairly easy process. All the way from ordering the part and everything. I got it from repairclinic.com. That was easy enough. I just punched in the part number, popped right up, confirmed it with the furnace model number, and then ordered it up. Got it shipped overnight. Incredibly fast shipping. So there it is. Thank you for watching.